What's up, gang? So, for those of you who've already been in once this week, here Monday, you've done these drills for part of our warm-up, but it's a seemingly simple but very challenging postural move. It's just a seated, on the ground, straight legs preferably, PVC press. I like this move for a lot of reasons. Most notably is that it really challenges your posture, and for any limitations that you have, you're going to really find the activation through the mid and upper part of your back in order to achieve this movement. And I think that it serves as a nice warm-up for pressing like we're doing on Monday, and then some deadlifting that we're doing here on Tuesday. And like I said, I think they make for a good pairing. So I'm going to show you a couple of variations. Find yours. But like I said, keep in mind that the idea here is we're looking for a postural challenge, meaning we're sitting upright, we're braced through the belly, and then we're trying to create length through our torso and our arms. So this first one, I think is probably the most challenging. Both legs are straight, sitting straight up. And then when we start a press, it's the same standard you do for a normal press. Your elbows are just slightly in front of the bar. When you start, bar is on your shoulders, and you're going to press all the way up overhead. You'll notice I'm really trying to fully extend up overhead. I'm not letting myself round. So really getting some natural arch in my low back and getting full extension at the top. So you'll bring it down, and we're just going for repetitions here, making sure that you can do a slight pause up overhead before bringing it down. Next variation, a little bit easier, is to allow the legs to go wide. So this is going to allow you to get a little bit more of your hip flexors involved to kind of pull your pelvis forward, get a little bit of that arch in your back. And again, the standard is the same. Start in this front rack, press it up overhead. You should feel peak challenge right up here overhead, and then back down. Next variation is just to do it cross-legged. So again, this may be more of a familiar or comfortable position for you. Go for it. All of these easier variations, they're just allowing your hips to kind of engage, your hip flexors to engage, and pull you into this more upright, appropriate posture. So, said, do whatever feels good for you there. But we'll go from the rack, press it up overhead. Now we don't have to, over-engineer this, but I think, like I said, it's a great move anytime we want to get those spinal erectors involved and warm for a workout. So if none of these are quite working for you, or if you want to find another variation, find a bumper, and you can sit on it and basically do any of these, and it'll give you just a little bit of a flexibility challenge assist, just like if you had heels under your foot to get deeper squats, or how we use Olympic weightlifting shoes to get deeper squats or more engaged squat position, you can do that. So grab a bumper, sit on the edge. Now you're getting a little bit better leverage. And again, all of the variations are on here. Get everything set, brace through the belly, nice upright posture. Press and hold for just a minute before bringing it back down. Enjoy it. Hopefully it aids in a good warm-up.